everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have some metal sun wall art decor. So let's check this thing out, and I'll show you what it looks like here. So it looks like these are the pieces for it, and it's going to be all around to make the big sun. And then here is the sun smiley face. So this is it. It's kind of, I guess it's made out of some sort of metal or tin. And then it looks like it's got the screws already built into it. So we would just, these ones here have a little, looks like this one has a hook on it. Is that the only one? Yeah, there's only one that has the little hook on it, so that's going to be the one for the center, apparently. And I'm going to say these hook up like that into the piece, and then there. Then you fold the tab over, and then it comes with little nuts and a little screwdriver as well. So let's just assemble this whole thing up here. I'll show you how quick it assembles, and then we can move forward from there. Let's see. So we have this. We'll go to there. Okay, there's number 2. And it looks like there's five, oops. I don't know, what do you call this? The spires of the sun? Let's see, this one here, we'll go there. There's 3, 4, and 5. You see how simple this is going on. So it's not a very challenging assembly. Okay, so there we go. So now we've got it assembled, and there we have a sun. How pretty is that? That's really nice. Really well made, nice tin, and it's got a good paint job on it, I mean, to make it colorful. And I've got it connected right now. You can see with those little tabs folded over. But then probably if I'm gonna put it outside if I just wanna hang it on the wall inside here, I probably wouldn't even need to do anything else. But it comes with these little nuts here, so I can screw these little nuts onto the bottoms of each of these, and then it's really not going anywhere, and it is permanently that way. So that's kind of cool that it is able to come in a tiny little box like this and end up being a big old sun like that. So really cool. I like this. Thumbs up for sure.